What's up, guys? If you have one of these club cars that are the pearl white color, if you get a real close shot at it, you can see it's got a pearl, metallic finish to it, kind of glittery. If you're looking for touch-up paint that is almost identical, I'll put a link down below where you can get it, but from most of your common auto parts stores, Toyota White Pearl 070 is an almost exact match, because we had one little nick. And there's something you need to check too. Under the seat, these staples that hold on the trim, if one of them is sticking out just a tiny little bit, it can nick the paint when you lift the seat up. So if you have that problem, make sure you check these staples that are underneath the trim right here, and just beat them in with a punch and a hammer or something like that. But this hasn't fully dried yet. Right there. It hasn't dried yet, but that is about as close a match as you can get to a touch-up. Looks very good. This is a 2023 Club Car Onward. And check out other videos. We got all kinds of stuff relating to golf cars and motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, hot rods, stuff like that. So check out our channel, and y'all have a great day. We'll see you.